Getting unwanted call recordings on your Samsung phone? No worries, turning off auto call recording is quick and simple once you know where to look. In this guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to disable it in just a few taps. Open the Call app. This is the app you normally use to make and receive calls. Once you're inside, look toward the top right corner of the screen and tap on the three-dot menu icon, also called the More option. A small pop-up menu will appear there. From there, tap on Settings to access all call-related options. Inside the Settings menu, find an option labeled Record Calls or something similar like Call Recording. Tap on it to open the recording settings. Now, you'll see an option called Auto Call Recording. If it's currently enabled, there will be a toggle switch turned on. Simply tap the toggle switch to turn it off. Once disabled, your phone will stop automatically recording incoming and outgoing calls. That's it. You've successfully turned off auto call recording on your device. The changes are applied instantly, so you don't need to restart your device or confirm anything else. If you ever want to enable it again, just follow the same steps and switch the toggle back on. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and follow for more quick and helpful tech tips. See you in the next one.